seen this, man?
Seeing what?
Dude, look at this.
Oh, dang. Whoa, that's so cool.
Oh, let's try some, man.
Let's do it.
Damn, yeah, let's go.
Welcome back, everyone. I am here today to introduce our newest iteration of the Cosmic Candy series, where we like to highlight fruity and sweet coffees. This new coffee is from Guatemala and the farm El Suyatal. It comes from producer Daniel Orantes. This is a really nice washed, clean, sweet Guatemala. We get so much sweetness like honeycomb, chocolate milk, not milk chocolate, and strawberry. I love to brew it on our dripper that we use in the cafe, so let's do that now. To start, I'm gonna use 18 grams of coffee ground, about medium, and then I'm gonna use 290 grams of water, and I have my kettle set at about 98 degrees, just off boil. So easy recipe, we're gonna start with the dripper open, so make sure that tab is down so we have water flowing through. To start, we're gonna bloom with 60 grams of water, so start our timer, pour in 60 grams, then at 30 seconds, we're gonna pour in another 60 grams, bringing this up to 120 grams total, still with the dripper open. And then at 1 minute and 10 seconds, we're gonna close the brewer, so flip the tab up, and we're gonna pour in the rest of our water, so up to 290 grams. Then at 1 minute 45, 1 minute 50, we're gonna open the brewer again, let it all flow through. It should finish brewing in about 3 minutes to 3 minutes and 30 seconds. This is where it's gonna taste perfect, taste the best, highlight that sweetness. If you wanna try this brew for yourself, you can pick up our coffee in the cafe or on our website. Happy brewing.